I have recently started using a shampoo bar, and trust me, it is one of the best decisions ever. I got the shampoo bar from Earth Rhythm and it is sulfate and paraben free. Sulfates can cause serious skin inflammation and parabens are known to cause cancer. Also, the shampoo bar is cruelty free and vegan in nature. It's time that we start switching on to better alternatives that are not so harmful on our skin and are cruelty free as well. It is also time that we switch to more sustainable products. This shampoo bar comes in a cardboard box packed in paper, so there is no plastic wrapping on it. Also, just imagine how many number of shampoo bottles we won't be using if we switch on to these kind of shampoo bars. And trust me, usage wise there is no difference. See just how foamy it is. It is as convenient as to use a shampoo bottle, and it very easily removes oil from the scalp and dirt from the scalp as well. Also, because it does not have any harmful chemicals, so I can actually feel my hair becoming healthier by each use.